Hello and welcome to the EEPROM 9, and we have the Toshiba HX-10. So why are we showing this off? Well, we've been in Blender and done some 3D modelling. So first we 3D modelled a basic print to see if our key switch would fit. Helps if we have it the right way round, and I've even had it embalm an actual arrow on it, which is surprisingly accurate to the others. It just has a bit of a short stouty end. So will I fix that? Nah. But yeah, he's basically solid. Then eventually, after many attempts, I ended up having to print it upside down. So yeah, because I'm going to link all the Thingiverse files and stuff in here, because I guarantee I'm not the only one with this problem. And also the Blender files, so you can edit it yourself, and you should be able to use the Blender files in other stuff, or use Blender to convert it over to other stuff, to a favourite 3D model editing software. And as you can see, we did quite a nice job. It's not perfectly aligned, because I should have done measurements up here and not just around the base. But live and learn, you know, I'm new to 3D modelling, prone to make mistakes. One word of caution is when you shove these into the holes, when you try and pull the keys back out, the stem will break, and then you'll have to take apart the key to shove it out from the other side. But here's our new one, our second good one that we've printed. As you can see, we got the stem. I recommend when you download it or you print it upside down like that, rather than like that with supports, because when I did it like that with supports, it kept failing over and over again. So I'm just going to move the camera so I can get this to go in, and boom! Fits perfectly. Now, we are not going to take him back out, because I don't fancy having to retrieve the other stem out or the broken bit. But yeah, we managed to get the measurements perfect on the internal plastic thing. I should use a key puller for that. And all that. And in an ideal world, you'd paint in blue and paint the arrow white, but I'm not too worried about that. I'm just happy to finally have a key on this computer, because I haven't had a key on this computer since I got it. And that's basically it. The links to all the Thingiverse files, which is where I'm going to end up uploading this stuff, will be in the description. Probably by the end of today, which, depending on when I upload, that could be like the end of today for you, or like already up there. So that's a bit of useless information. But yeah, thanks for watching. And yeah, the nice thing about the Blender files is you can modify this to the other keys with just taking measurements, and you can add your own little embezzle in there. Yeah, I like Blender. Blender is open source, although it is very complicated. But I'm learning, or I wouldn't have this. I'm also working on designing a back case for my Commodore P50 calculator, who has currently gone walkies because he was sitting on the side somewhere and I don't see him anywhere. So that's a mystery I'll solve later by myself, because you'll be dead.